You already understand the problem. You know that translating is slowing you down. But now the real question is, how do you start thinking in English? Not someday, not after more study, but today. The answer is simpler than you think, but it requires a different approach. You don't start by speaking perfectly. You start by thinking differently. There are 3 simple steps, small but powerful. Step 1. Name what you see. Not full sentences, not perfect grammar, just words. Coffee. Table. Window. No translation, just recognition. You are not translating. You are connecting. Step 2. Describe what you do. I'm walking. I'm opening the door. I'm sitting. Simple actions create real language. Step 3. Expand your thoughts. This coffee is hot. I like this place. This is easy. Now, you're not repeating. You're thinking. And this is how fluency begins. Not in perfect sentences, but in simple, clear thoughts. At first, it may feel slow, even uncomfortable. But this is progress. Real progress. Because you are training your mind to live in the language. And once that happens, speaking becomes natural. In the next video, I'll show you how to practice this daily without feeling overwhelmed. Welcome to Plus English, where language meets thought and learning becomes transformation.